Hello, AP students. This is Ms. Campos, the College and Career Counselor at Bellflower High School, and I'm here to give you some information about the 2024 AP exams, which are happening from May 6th to the 17th. Here's the AP exam schedule for week one, which is from May 6th to the 10th. Make sure that you know the date and time of your AP exam. Write it down in an agenda in your phone. Keep in mind that exams that begin at 12:30 p.m. will end after 3:36 p.m. Students taking an AP exam in the afternoon must provide their own transportation home after the exam. Here's the AP exam schedule for week two, which is happening from May 13th through the 17th. AP exam day procedures. Before exam day, AP exam admission ticket. All students registered for an exam will receive an AP exam admission ticket to confirm their AP exam registration. Read the information on the ticket carefully and bring it with you to each of your exams. AP exam terms and conditions. Read and review the 2024 AP exam terms and conditions on College Board at cb.org/AP exam terms. Note, all AP students need to read these terms and conditions carefully. They will need to accept terms and conditions prior to taking each exam and sign a statement on the answer sheet stating that they read the information. Breaks and snacks. Prepare your snacks ahead of time and place in a clear plastic bag with your name on it. Exam day, student arrival procedures. Morning AP exams begin at 8 a.m. Students arrive between 7:50 a.m. to 8 a.m. If you bring a backpack or bag, you will be asked to put them on the side of the gym. Cell phones and smartwatches will be collected. Check in at your designated exam room, which is this year in the gym, by 8 a.m. Have your student ID and AP admission ticket with you. Must be in your seat by 8:10 a.m. Afternoon exams begin at 12:30 p.m. Early lunch at 12 p.m. during middle school lunch, except on Monday, May 13th. If you bring a backpack or bag, you'll be asked to put them on the side of the gym. Cell phones and smartwatches will be collected. Check in at your designated exam room, which is in the gym, by 12:30 p.m. Have your student ID and AP exam admission ticket with you. Must be in your seat by 12:40 p.m. Breaks. There is a 10-minute break between section number 1 and section number 2 in each of the AP exams. Students need to always stay in the designated area during the break. Students may use the restroom during the break, two students at one time. During the break or during any other unscheduled breaks, you are not allowed to consult textbooks, notes, teachers, or other students, and you may not use any electronic or communication devices like your cell phone for any reason. You may not leave the building, which is the gym, at any time during the exam administration, including during a scheduled break. Remember, whether it's during breaks or after the exam, you must not communicate anything about the exam content to anyone, including your classmates and your teachers. The day of your AP exam, you will be told where you can have your break. After the exam, student dismissal procedures. Morning AP exams, which begin at 8. Students will be dismissed when the entire exam is over. Students will be given a pass to go to their period 5 or 6 class. Students need to go straight to their period 5 or 6 class after the AP exam. Note, all students taking a morning exam will be excused from period 1 or 2 and 3 or 4. Afternoon exams, which begin at 12:30 p.m. The afternoon exams will end after 3:36 p.m. Once again, students taking an AP exam in the afternoon must provide their own transportation home after the exam. Note, all students taking an afternoon exam will be excused from period 5 or 6 and 7 or 8. Expect to be taking the exam up until 4 p.m. AP exam terms and conditions. I will only be going over section 1 of the AP terms and conditions. Section 1, taking the exam, what to bring on day of the exam. What to bring: 2 sharpened number 2 pencils with erasers, 2 pens with black or dark blue ink only, school ID, your College Board username and password, which is very important, especially if you are taking a digital AP exam, such as the US History AP exam, World History exam, English Language, and English Lit. Optional, a watch that does not have internet access, beep or make noise, or have an alarm. No Apple Watches. Optional, water with no label and a snack to eat during the break. Note, place snacks and water in a clear plastic bag with your name on it. You will not be able to leave the testing area or go inside your backpack during the break to retrieve your snack and water. For students taking AP Biology, Calculus, AP Environmental Science, or Physics, bring your own calculator, which is a form function with square root, scientific, and or graphing. We will not provide them, nor will you be able to leave the test room to get one. You can bring up to two calculators. Fresh batteries are recommended. For students taking the AP Physics only, please bring a ruler or straight edge. Section 1, taking the exam, what not to bring on the day of the exam. What not to bring: electronic equipment, phones, smartwatches, fitness trackers, wearable technology, laptops, tablet computers, portable listening or recording devices such as MP3 players, iPod, Bluetooth, cameras, or other photographic equipment, devices that access the internet, or other electronic or communication devices. Do not bring mechanical pencils, number 3 pencils, paper of any kind, scratch paper will be provided, books, reference guides, notes, or dictionaries, compasses, protractors, rulers, except for the physics students, clipboard, correction fluid, whiteout, highlighters, or colored pencils, computers or calculators that are not approved, watches that beep, make a noise, or have an alarm, food or drink other than your bagged snack, clothing or shoes with subject related information, and earplugs. Lastly, if possible, please leave your backpacks and cell phones at home on exam day. You will place your belongings off to the side in the gym, and you will not have access to your items during the entirety of the exam. If you bring your cell phone or smartwatch, you must turn it off, not on vibrate, and surrender it to your proctor when checking in. Your cell phone and smartwatch will be returned to you at the end of the exam. This is the end of this presentation. However, you and your teacher can continue the PowerPoint to read more about the AP exam terms and conditions. Thank you. And if you have any questions about this year's AP exams, you can see me in the College and Career Center. Good luck.